All right, number 20 is a fundamental theorem of calculus problem based on the concept of total change and area accumulation. So here they're telling you that big F of 0 equals 0, big F prime equals little f. So to find big F of 1, what you really want is the total change from 0 to 1 because we start at 0. And the total change is going to be the area bounded by the little f function on 0 to 1, which looks to be 1 here. So big F of 1 equals 1. For big F of 2, I can add the next area of 1/2 to what I already had for big F of 1. So big F of 2 will be 1.5. Big F of 3, what I have to do is subtract this region below the x-axis. So I subtract 1/2 and I'm left with big F of 3 equals 1. Then for big F of 4, I need to subtract a full 1 here from 3 to 4. So big F of 4 equals 0. And I keep going. Big F of 5, once again I subtract because the region is under the x-axis. So big F of 5 is -1. And then finally, big F of 6, I subtract another 1/2, so big F of 6 is -1.5. All right, for number 21, we're told that the average American's annual income was changing at a rate of R of T. And that started in January of 1993, and they want to know how much the average American's income changed during 1993. So all you have to do is integrate the rate. So you're integrating the rate, and the units of rate are dollars per month. And if you multiply that by the time that goes by, dt here, which will be in months, you're going to end up becoming or getting dollars out. So we're going to do this in our calculator. We'll just pull up our TI and we'll go to the home screen. And we're going to go to Alpha Trace. We're going to go to Alpha Window, and we're going to choose 4, which is the integral, and we're going to integrate. What are our limits? Well, we wanted time equals 0 to be January 1, then the end of the year will be 12 months later because we're in dollars per month, so we need 12 months. So we have a 0 lower limit, 12 as the upper limit, then we need 40 times 1.002, and I'm just going to show you guys that you can in fact, well, it doesn't matter. I'll just raise to the x. I was going to say you could use a t there as long as you put a t here, but honestly it's just easier to use x because that's what you get when you click on the variable button here. So when I get this, I get 485, and I need my 3 decimal places, so let me go back and grab that. $485.801. That's the amount that the average annual income changed during 1993.